Hey guys, welcome to day 4 of the 12 buckets of Christmas. Today we are doing Fein and Bosch, so let's jump into it here. We're gonna start with a plethora of OPT stickers. Oh yeah, a pack of Bosch, fuck are they? We got a pack of Bosch jigsaw blades, Bosch laser distance meter, lay flat. All right, next we got some Fein multi-tool blades. We get into a little bit of fun stuff here. We've got a DeWalt koozie. We've got a nice Hogan t-shirt. What would life be like without an OPT t-shirt? And a nice new trucker hat. And then we've also got these Bosch spade bits. Now to the big stuff. So here we have the Bosch. This is the 2-in-1. It is a square drive and a bit driver. Let's crack this thing open. Oh yeah, comes with a nice tool bag, all your manuals and paperwork. And there we go. Bit goes in the center. You got your square drive. Also get a belt clip, and it comes with the battery and the charger. Oh, and all the paperwork. That makes it all easier to get in. All right. And then we have the Fein Multi-Master 500. Again, comes in a nice tool bag. Let's see what we got inside the bag. All right. There's the Multi-Master 500. Also getting the battery and the charger, little blades and accessories. All right, that wraps it up for bucket number 4 this year. Check out the Buckets of Christmas page at ohiopowertool.com for 10% off select Bosch and Fein items. That is going to be good today only. Thanks so much and happy holidays.